Ito raw ang araw na ginawa ng Panginoon. Tayo magsaya at magdiwang. Para kaninong ginawa? Kila Daniel, kila Karen. This is your day. This is the day the Lord has made for you. Karen Rosabel Hugo, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Daniel Eric Tanching, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
And we know that
Sabi nila, if it takes two to dance the tango, it takes three to get married. Magtatango kayo, magsasayaw kayo, pwede na kayo, dalawa lang kayo. Pero kung ikakasal kayo, kailangan tatlo kayo. Sino yung pangatlo? Si God.
we won't hesitate. It's the first day, it's the first page. Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here. Our story starts right.
Yung pasensya, parang sobrang nung pasensya. Yun yung napansin ko sa kanya.
Maganda. Tsaka, kaya niya yung paano niya dalhin sarili niya, yun yung talagang gusto ko rin eh.
Marriage is not a consequence. Hindi ito tsamba. Marriage is a destiny. Tandaan ninyo, destiny ito. Yan ang inyong destino. Even before you were born, bago kayo isinilang, o bago pa nakita ang tatay at nanay nyo, nasa isip na kayo ni Lord na kayo ay magsasama.
Sky full of light breaking through. We feel our hearts exploding. Our story unfolding. Open eyes as we chase the morning sun. Here and now, we've only just begun. There's a world of endless color waiting for us to discover. Running to the open wide, where dreamers come alive. We can see a new horizon. We can feel adventure calling. Step out on the open road into the great unknown. Here we go. Here we go.
Alam niya na kayo magsasama. Alam na niya kayo magkatatagpuin at kayo pagkakaisahin niya. Kaya tandaan, destino niyo yan sa bawat isa. Kaya tawag ng iba, sabi nila, Father, pwede bang tawagin niya na soulmate? Yes, why not? Soulmate. Kayo talaga ang mag-soulmate. Nakaisa na kayo kahit sa kaluluwa at sa heart.
Loves, I'll see you later. Love you.